Here at my grandma's gardening. Got some flowers.
After I got done gardening, I went to
Next door there's Los Habaneros.
They had so many cool antiques inside of Chunky's. Here's the waiver you have to sign before you eat the Four Horsemen burger. As part of the journey into the red, I started with the jalapeno cheeseburger this time, and I'm gonna slowly move my way up to the Four Horsemen.
Jalapeno burger. Here's the burger. Wish me luck. Not too bad.
After Chunky's, I went to the Bat Loco Bash, which is a bat festival held on a bridge by the San Antonio River where bats fly a lot.
Oh, Bat Loco Bash! We're excited!
I found the Batmobile and I got a glimpse of Batman.
We're in the Batcave.
This area of the Riverwalk is known as the Grotto and was created by San Antonio artist Carlos Cortez.